Hello students, myself Nishan Singh, and today we will start with the class 9 social studies, and we are taking one of the books, that is economics, and we will go through the first chapter of the economics. Its title is The Story of Village Palampur. As you go through this chapter, the one thing which will come into your mind, why this village Palampur has taken, why not any other village? No matter, because Palampur is a village which is in Bulandshahr district in UP, and it is taken as an imaginary village because as you will see that Palampur is a very modern village which these type of villages are lacking in our country. Okay, so why Palampur has been taken as an ideal village, I will tell you. The first facilities, the type of facilities which are available in the Palampur village, which makes it as an ideal village. The first one is transportation. Transportation is one of the most important facility which should be smooth in any village, because as the farmers cut harvesting or the sowing time, they need lots of traveling through the towns or the cities for the better crops or for better seeds and other things to the markets. Hence, transportation facility in the Palampur village is very fine. The transportation facility of Palampur village is very fine. Roads are good. They are metal roads, and plus the second thing, the means of transportations. Okay, the means of transportations are also plenty in Palampur village. Second thing which is very good in Palampur is electricity. Okay, as you all know that electricity is one of the major challenge in our country, but this village is having a good supply, ample supply of electricity, due to which how electricity will help them? Electricity will help them in having tube wells. And tube wells in India is the prime source of irrigation. Tube wells in our country is still the prime source of irrigations. Hence, you will see that tube wells will only work when the electricity will be provided. Understood? Next and the third most important thing is education. The Palampur village is having a primary as a secondary, junior secondary school also, means they are giving the education to their young ones. Okay, the basic primary education which is given by the, as you all have heard about the elementary education. Okay, that elementary education is at the primary level, 6 to 14 years compulsory education. It is given in the Palampur village. Now we will go through the statistics of the village. Statistics means what is the number of the village, families. So 450 families are living in village Palampur. 450 families are living in village Palampur. Out of those 450 families, 80 families are of upper caste, and they are well, you can say they are very rich. Okay, well developed families. And the 1/3 of the 450 families are of SCs, and they are living at the corner of the village. So this is the stat of the village Palampur, and this is how we have taken the example of an imaginary ideal village that is called Palampur. In the next topic we will go through the factors of production. Okay, so this is the first page of your book. Why we have taken the Palampur? I have told you that why they had taken the village Palampur as an example, because it is an ideal village. It has all sorts of facilities which makes an village ideal, that is transportation, electricity and education. Then we have gone through the stats of the village. 450 families total living in the village, 80 well-to-do families are there, and 1/3 of the 450 are SCs, and they are living at the corner of the village. Okay, for the next topic, updated with my YouTube channel.